this video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 tips to build a personal brand that knows, likes, and trusts you, as well as eagerly will want to buy from you. So keep watching. My name's Garrett Berry, and on this channel I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to go down below, click that subscribe button, and then click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this. So how can you build a personal brand? You know, I actually remember many years ago when I first got started online, people were telling me I needed to build a brand, right? I needed to build a brand around myself and really start to get my name out there, get attention, and get a following. But I was really struggling. You know, I was doing what everyone said to do. I was going out there, I was posting, but it just wasn't going as fast as I would like. You know, I was posting and I was wondering why people weren't eagerly, liking my content or, following me. People weren't reaching out as much to work with me, and it really made me frustrated. So what I want to share with you is 5 of my best tips that I've learned over my journey online and how you can actually use these to avoid a lot of pain in your own life and your own business. So very first tip I have for you, my friend, is you want to define your audience. Okay, when it comes to building a personal brand, you need to find out what type of audience do you want to build. What are you passionate about? Maybe you're already in a business. Well, what niche, what topic are you already in? So for example, let's say you are interested in helping people gain more muscle. Okay, well, is it everybody, or is it just men? Or is it maybe just men in their 20s, right? So the more specific you can get about the type of audience you want to build, the better your personal brand will be, and the easier it will be to sell products, to build that tight-knit community and really start to get a lot of engagement. Okay, so really think about it. Take some time. When I did this exercise, I got really clear and I defined, the exact type of person that I want to help, I want to attract into my business. I wrote them out. I got very descriptive. They look like, what their profession is, how much money they make per month, and I really got clear on that. And it really dramatically helped me create content and posts on social media to attract that person. Now, my second tip for you is to create a blog or a website. When you want to market online, when you want to build a personal brand, it's very important to have a home on the internet other than YouTube, Facebook. The issue with those sites are that, if you spend a lot of time building up a following, sometimes you can lose out, if that social media site goes away or if your account gets shut down. Unfortunately, it happens to people. So when you create a blog or a website on your own domain, you can actually have that as your home. That's where you can share content. That's where you can share all your things. And then on the social media platforms, you can just share links to that website or blog. This ensures that you actually have security and you can control that entire asset. Now, if you don't know how to create a website, there's actually a website creation software that I personally recommend called ClickFunnels. I'm going to leave a link where you can try it out totally free. It's actually my #1 recommendation, and it will quickly create funnels and websites for you, okay? But you really want to do that. Number 3 is you want to create content and information that will attract this ideal customer, this ideal client that you're wanting to build this personal brand around, right? So for example, let's say you are teaching people how to trade Forex. Okay, Forex is a type of trading that you can do online. And let's say you're teaching people how to do that better. Maybe you're good at it. Well, what you can do is you can actually create blog posts or videos teaching information on how you can trade better, what things to look out for in Forex, things like that. It's very important though to use keywords, okay? So do a Google search. You can use the Google Keyword Planner, which is basically a tool online that allows you to find out the search volume of different keywords, and you can use those on your blog articles, and you will start to rank and attract the right people looking for information about the topic that your personal brand is about. Okay, so this is really powerful. This can allow you to gain a lot of leads on autopilot as you create blogs. Okay, the next tip I have for you, my friend, is to build an email list. So many times people aren't building an email list, they're promoting online, and then they don't have this long-term asset. Something goes away and it stops working. I remember that for a good first year when I was online, I wasn't building an email list, right? I wasn't generating leads for my email list. And what happened was I had to literally, that next year when I finally realized I needed to build an email list, I had to start from scratch, and I missed out on thousands of potential people that I could have marketed other products to or shared my content with. So you want to focus on building an email list. Now, if you don't know exactly where to start, I actually have a full 17-minute video where I walk you through exactly how to create capture page, how to create your funnel, and how to create follow-up emails totally that go out on autopilot as you build your email list. So I'm gonna include a card. Be sure to click that if you're interested and walk through that so you can build that email list very, very quickly. So my last powerful tip for you to build a personal brand on social media is to reach out to other online influencers and collaborate. You know, when you do this, you're gonna be able to tap into their audience who may like the content that you're doing, but you're also able to share and give to them by introducing your audience to them. When you do this with people with similar followings, you're able to really grow very, very fast, okay? So what you wanna do is look at the social media sites that you're typically on, you're typically promoting, and then you wanna see if you can reach out, connect, find out who the top people are on those sites, and start liking their posts, start connecting with them, commenting, see if you can build that relationship with them and then collaborate, and you're really gonna notice a spike in growth in your personal brand. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to build a personal brand on social media, but how do you exactly start turning this into leads for your business? Well, be sure to grab my free training audio, 17 ways to get leads today, down below in the description. All of those ways are totally simple, and all but one of them are totally free and don't cost a thing. Well, thanks so much for watching, my friend. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends and any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, I'd love to hear your feedback. Comment below, what do you want me to help you with next? Like, what question do you have? I'm constantly posting these videos, and I want to help you get the results you want, my friend. So thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.